trek to the Guna Mata temple. This is a point about 2 kilometers away from the Naddi village, and from here we are going to trek up. The distance of the trek is going to be about 4 kilometers, and our guide has said that it's going to take about 2 hours. But considering my stamina, I'm considering a margin of about 1.5 hours more. So let's see. I'm really excited, and this is a road less taken, so if you people are excited and interested about offbeat treks, then this can be one of those. However, the most popular treks in Mcleodganj area are the Tune and Kareri Lake trek. You people know about it already. So to know the complete details of the Guna Mata temple trek, follow the video. The first part of the trek is climbing up these steep steps. The views all around are very beautiful, and I'm already feeling breathless. So let's see. I have ample time at hand, and I have no other major plan for this day. So I'm going to rest often on this trail and enjoy the journey at my own pace. Climbing all the steps, we have reached a point, and from where you can see beautiful views of the hills all around, and this is the gate to the Guna Mata temple. Come, let's go. The sky is blue and the air is fresh. I have fallen in love with the mountains. People living in the mountains are so lucky. We have stopped here at a place on our way to the temple. This is a lovely place, and here is a small temple dedicated to Lord Shiva, and here is also the statue dedicated to some martyr who had sacrificed his life for saving people and the country. The views from here are so awesome. People, you should come on this trek. And the biggest point and the most important thing that I love about this place is we are the only ones who are trekking. You wouldn't find it filled with tourists. It's so serene, and the entire mountains is like to ourselves now. So if you want to experience this serenity, experience this peace, experience the mountain all by yourself, then choose this trek. Just look at the valley below and the entire mountain ranges. Isn't it so awesome? Wow, I'm feeling so happy. This patch of the trail is so beautiful. It has forests on both the sides. It's completely shaded and dark and cool. It's a very relaxing trail, this part of the trail at least. I'm thoroughly enjoying it. There are so many different varieties of plants growing all around. Since I am a gardening enthusiast, I am really loving these beautiful plants and flowers. We have finally reached the top of the hills. It's the entrance to the Guna Devi temple. We are now going to get inside. Come. Behind me is the Guna Mata temple. Devi Guna Mata is an avatar of goddess Durga. A lot of So finally we are at the Guna Mata temple. You can see the majestic Dhauladhar ranges behind me. It is so beautiful that I don't have words to describe it. The views are just awesome. I'm at total loss of words. And I have realized one thing, that you can buy any expensive camera, but what God has given you, are the best pair of lenses that you have, your eyes, because what your eyes can capture, your camera can never do that. But still, I'm trying my best. Have a look.
These plants are dangerous. We are warned by our guide. If you touch these, then you are going to feel extreme pain and itching as if a scorpion has bitten you.
So now we are about to get down. We reached the temple in about 2.5 hours. So I'm not sure that I'm pretty decently fit and I can go to the next level of trekking. All the way the views were so breathtaking, and now we are going to go down. You can see the views, and there are two horses behind me which are grazing. I found this spot pretty scenic, and so I decided to click a photo over here.
Just look how they are eager to pose for my camera. Say cheese!
So this is the end of our day 2. If you love the video, do like, share and subscribe. If you need any information regarding this trek, please write that in the comment section below. I would also provide the phone number, contact number of our driver and our guide who helped us and guided us to this trek. You can contact them, they're really good. And this trek was an awesome one, and this trek is very suitable for the beginners if you're not feeling very sure but you want to enjoy the mountains. So you can definitely come and try it out. The route, the trail is definitely so beautiful, and this entire trek is very beautiful. Please come.